Are you looking for the best over-the-door pantry organizer? We've got this one right here. I figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today, so let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. Just gonna slice and dice through this tape. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that out for me right there. I do like how they put the cardboard on top, so if you are using a knife to be able to open it, it slices through that and not through your pantry organizer here. Let's see, let's go ahead and pop these on out. They come all nice and kind of bagged up like this. Let's get that Mike Vance knife again so we can pop through some of that right there. And let's see what we have here. This is going to be great. Not only can you use this for a pantry, but you could probably also use this on any door. So if you just have maybe like a bathroom door that you might want to organize some things on, this could be perfect for that. Let's see, you got something wrapped up in there. We'll get to that. It does have some different ways of hanging it looks like. So there's some suction, or actually the suction cups probably help it so that it doesn't move while it's on the door. And then of course you have all the over-the-door mounting stuff. We'll get to that in just a minute. Here is your instructions right there. It looks like it's just a simple 3-panel, 2-panel type of thing right there. So it should be fairly easy to do, which is awesome. And then you have, let's see, this one's got one basket right here. And you have another basket right here. I guess these kind of like hook onto each other somehow. Does that go on there like that? I can't tell. I'll have to look at those instructions here in a minute. Let's see. Oh, there's no. Okay, so is that 4 in there? I like how they bagged them all up so that they don't, as they get shipping, they don't get jumbled up on each other. Got a bag and a shelf here. So you have that one right there, and then you have this one right here. So I like how you have the different sizes here as well to be able to use, just to give you guys an idea of the size. This big one down here is 16 inches. I'm assuming that all these are about 16. They go a little bit small, like a 1/4 of an inch smaller with each basket so that they nest into each other well. And then, of course, your depths are a little bit different as here as well. This is about 5 and almost a half, so like 1/3. Yeah, 5 and 1/3 there. This is 5. This one over here is 4 1/2, and this one here is about 4 1/4. So you got a good amount of size for each one as well. I just need to understand how. Oh, do you hook it onto the... You know what I should do? Dads usually don't do this. We usually don't read the instructions. And I usually try not to read the instructions because I want to see how intuitive a product... Oh, is that what that is? Okay, okay. So it looks like there is a frame that you're going to be installing that goes up against whatever you're putting it on. Which, if they're doing that, then you might be able to put this wherever you want it. It doesn't even have to go on a wall. Oh, that's interesting. So now that I look at it, of course, if I would have opened this one first, I would have seen all that. It looks like this one, I need that Mike Vance knife again. It's got all of the frame pieces right here on top inside of this basket right here. I do like how it's all metal construction as well. So it's something that's going to last and won't get, beat up over time easily. There we go. I believe that they make this in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if they do, they'll have all the different options on there that you can choose from. That way you guys can go and get the one that's going to be the best for you. But this one right here, you can see how these just simply are on a little hinge right there. Riveted hinge, so you can bust all those on out just like that. You got all the little holes right there to be able to get everything nice and mounted up easily. I like how it does retract like this, so if you need to put it away for whatever reason, you can do that. Of course, you're going to have 2 of them as well, one for one side and one for the other. And then you have another set of baskets right here just like this one, so that's awesome. I like how they give you so many baskets in there. Let's see, let's take a look at a couple of these other things right here that we have all nice and wrapped up. Okay, these look like some bars, some braces that maybe go in between is what I'm thinking right there. They have a little thread right there. That might be for the, those suction cups as well. And then last but not least, we have this little bag of nougats and bits right here so that you can, these are the suction cups that I was talking about right there. So you can easily get those. See how they have the threaded post on that? Let's see if I can open one of those up for you guys so y'all can see that a little bit better. You get 6 of them here. And so that's what it looks like. Oh, it's not a suction cup. It's like a sticky back. Oh, that's even better because it's going to hold nicely. A lot of times those suction cups, they just don't hold like they should. And so being that this is more of a sticky style, you got that layer that you got to peel off. And then you just simply screw that right on into the back of the thing to be able to hold it in place. That's awesome. And I like how they give you so many of them as well. Let's see, what else we got in here? Some little, looks like little hooks that you can clip onto the side as well. Show y'all what those look like. See how they just simply have like a little piece that hangs onto the side of the basket and then creates like a little hook on the side so you have that extra hanging space right there. Just like that. Those are very easy to be able to put on, and then also you can put them exactly where you want them, like if you wanted to be on the front of the basket, on the side of the basket, anywhere. So that's awesome as well. You get a good bit of those too. It looks like about 6 or 7, maybe 8 of them right there. Then, let's see, this is going to be the hardware that you're going to use to be able to put over your door. One thing I do want to do for this, because I've had issues with this in the past, is measure out the space that goes over the door, because sometimes it can be too big depending on your door size. This one right here, I am measuring on the interior of it at 1 3/4 inches. So just to give you guys an idea of the size of door that this can fit. Then of course you have your 2 holes right there to make it connect to the other piece, to the frames and whatnot. Well, let's see, they also give you some little foam bumpers right there, cut into little circles. And then you have all of your hardware right here to be able to get everything all nice and mounted up. It looks like there's bolts in there. There's some screws in there so you can anchor it into the wall if you want to do that as well. So I like how they give you all the little nougats and bits that you're going to need to be able to get this up. We're going to have to go and get this thing set up into the house. I'm going to do a follow-up video of this thing. But if y'all are looking for an excellent over-the-door pantry organizer, bathroom organizer, any room that has a door organizer, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. This thing looks fantastic. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's a helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys putting that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And remember, you can get these in a few different colors, so definitely go and check out that product listing below so y'all can go through all the color options that they have available in there. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And Dad out.